So I need to show you my fish leather. I have 3 that are successful and 2 that still need some softening. Let me show you the sound difference. This is sea bass. Sounds like leather, right? It's very beautiful.
It's a very beautiful, beautiful.
It's pliable, it's soft. It's ready to be made into a fish leather helmet. This is some salmon. It's super thin though, so I may just use it to cover buttons and put it on a cocktail hat, also called fascinator. This is some salmon that is very beautiful. There's a teeny tiny hole right there, but it doesn't matter. I can work around it. That would be really great for a fish leather helmet too. This is the sound. Here. Yeah, perfect. This, some more salmon. It says paper. More salmon. So I'm gonna have to go back and stretch these out and also lubricate them with the walnut oil that I'm using, which smells delightful.